Encoding Package. Golang provides an encoding package to encode and decode. Golang provides various algorithms for encoding. Popular examples are base64, CSV, and JSON. Now we define a string input containing the text "Hello, world." Then, we encode this string to base64 format using the encode-to-string function from the encoding/base64 package. We define the string input containing the text "Hello, world." This is the string that we want to encode to base64 format. We use the encode-to-string function from the base64 std encoding package to encode the string input to base64 format. This function takes a byte slice as input and returns the base64 encoded string. We store the base64 encoded string in the encoded string variable. Finally, we print the base64 encoded string to the console using fmtprintln. Next, we decode a base64 encoded string back to its original text representation. We use the decode string function from the encoding/base64 package to decode the base64 encoded string. Here's a breakdown of the code. We use the decode string function from the base64 std encoding package to decode the base64 encoded string back to its original byte slice representation. This function returns a byte slice containing the decoded data and an error if decoding fails. We check if there's an error during decoding, error equals nil. If an error occurs, we print an error message indicating the failure to decode the base64 encoded string. If decoding is successful, we convert the decoded byte slice to a string representation using string decoded bytes and store it in the decode string variable. Finally, we print the decoded string to the console using fmtprintln. Okay, let's run it. And this is the result.